Look up. That bright light gliding across the night sky isn't a star, it's the International Space Station, humanity's home in orbit, a symbol of what we can achieve together. Once rivals, nations joined forces to build a future among the stars. The ISS is a beacon of peace and scientific curiosity, our first continuous foothold off Earth. 5 major space agencies lead this global partnership: NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. Each contributed hardware, expertise, and astronauts, creating a station greater than the sum of its parts. Here, cultures and languages unite for exploration and discovery. The ISS is as large as a football field, with massive solar arrays capturing the sun's energy. It's divided into the Russian orbital segment for life support and propulsion, and the US segment for labs and living quarters. Together, they form a functioning outpost in low Earth orbit, about 400 kilometers above us. The station travels at 28,000 kilometers per hour, circling Earth every 90 minutes. That's 16 sunrises and sunsets each day. The ISS is a constant dance between light and darkness, floating above our world. It's a living testament to international cooperation and the human drive to explore. Every orbit, every experiment, every shared meal on board is a step toward a shared future in space. The ISS is not just a machine, it's a vision realized, a bridge between nations and a platform for discovery. It's our outpost in the cosmos, and it's just the beginning. As you watch it pass overhead, remember, this is humanity's home among the stars. It's proof that together we can reach beyond our planet. The ISS is our first step into the universe, and the journey has only just begun. The cosmos is waiting. Building the ISS meant assembling it piece by piece in orbit. It began in 1998 when Russia launched the first module, Zarya. Soon after, the US module Unity joined and the ISS was born. Over a decade, more than 40 missions delivered modules, trusses, and solar arrays. Astronauts performed daring spacewalks, connecting components in the vacuum of space. NASA provided the main truss and labs, Roscosmos the core modules, ESA the Columbus lab, Japan the Kibo lab, and Canada the essential Canadarm2 robotic arm. Each nation's contribution was vital, turning the ISS into a true global project. Canadarm2 acted as a crane, moving modules and assisting astronauts. The station grew from 2 modules to a sprawling complex. This international collaboration was a masterpiece of engineering and teamwork. The ISS stands as a marvel of project management and shared vision. It's a testament to what's possible when nations unite for a common goal. Together we built a home in space. Since November 2000, the ISS has been continuously occupied. Crews from around the world live and work in 6-month rotations. Their days are packed with science, maintenance, and breathtaking views of Earth. Astronauts conduct experiments, studying fire, growing crystals, and advancing medicine. They're the hands and eyes for thousands of scientists on Earth. Maintenance is constant, replacing pumps, upgrading hardware, and sometimes venturing outside for spacewalks. Life in microgravity changes everything. Eating, sleeping, and even exercising require adaptation. Food is specially packaged, and astronauts sleep tethered to walls. Exercise is crucial. 2 hours daily to counteract muscle and bone loss. Every task, from the routine to the extraordinary, helps us learn how to live in space. The ISS is not just a lab, it's a test bed for future exploration. Here, we're learning what it takes to thrive beyond Earth. Life aboard the ISS is a glimpse into humanity's future among the stars. The ISS is a world-class laboratory, defined by its unique microgravity environment. Here, scientists study physics and biology, and materials in ways impossible on Earth. Research on human health is vital. Understanding how space affects our bodies prepares us for journeys to Mars and beyond. Astronauts are both researchers and test subjects, helping us learn about bone loss, muscle atrophy, and immune changes. These insights benefit medicine on Earth too. In microgravity, scientists create new alloys and grow perfect protein crystals, leading to advanced materials and drug discoveries. The ISS also observes Earth, monitoring climate, weather, and disasters, providing crucial data for our planet's future. Looking outward, it hosts telescopes and detectors studying cosmic rays and dark matter. Free from Earth's atmosphere, the ISS offers a clear view of the universe. Every experiment expands our knowledge and brings us closer to new frontiers. The ISS is a crucible for discovery, shaping the future of science and exploration. It's where we unlock the secrets of space and ourselves. The science of the void is the science of our future. The ISS is a living, evolving platform, new modules, new research, and now, commercial partners. Companies deliver cargo and crew, marking a new era in spaceflight. Upgrades like advanced solar arrays and new docking ports keep the station at the cutting edge. Every experiment and innovation on the ISS prepares us for deeper space missions. It's a test bed for life support, health and technology vital for journeys to the Moon and Mars. The ISS's legacy is twofold: groundbreaking science and a symbol of international cooperation. It's proof that humanity can unite for a common dream. The benefits reach Earth: new medicines, materials, and inspiration. When you see that bright light in the sky, remember it's more than a station. It's a laboratory, a home, and a beacon of hope. The ISS is our first step beyond Earth, a stepping stone to the stars. The journey has just begun. The cosmos awaits.